Tonkeeper is getting a lot of attraction in the crypto community recently. People that participated in different successful crypto airdrop are making use of Tonkeeper wallet to do their crypto transaction. Tonkeeper is owned by Telegram, and Telegram is building a lot of ecosystem around Ton network and also on Tonkeeper. There's going to be a lot of future opportunities coming in Ton network, talking about buying meme coins and trading meme coins in Ton network. It's going to be wild in the next bull market. If you are here in 2021, when we saw massive meme coin rise in BNB network, this is like almost the same thing that is about to happen to Ton network. I like what Ton team are doing, using Telegram to be able to preach the gospel of crypto, where that everybody can have a crypto wallet directly on their Telegram account. In this video, I will walk you through on how you can set up your own Tonkeeper wallet. After watching this video, you should be able to use Tonkeeper wallet effectively. If you like content like this, please subscribe to this channel, like this video. My name is John Bosco. Welcome to Deep Tutors. If you are watching this video on your mobile phone, please, I want you to expand your phone so you can actually see what I'm doing, and also increase your video quality from 720p to 1080p so you can actually see the quality of the video. For you to download your Tonkeeper wallet, just go to iOS Store or Google Play Store and go on the search icon and type in Tonkeeper. As you can see on my search results, you can see I've already searched on it already. Just click on it. But if you haven't, just type in Tonkeeper. As you can see, let me click on install. I'm going ahead to install this. Over 10 million people or more are using this wallet. And to me, this is going to be wild in the next coming months in Ton, because a lot of people will be interacting with Ton platform. Just allow the wallet to download, and after downloading, you start the process of creating accounts. You can see I've finished downloading the Tonkeeper wallet, so let me click on open. I'm about to open it. And don't forget, you can also use Tonkeeper on your PC, which is on your laptop. I'll be making a video about that. If you don't want to miss that video, please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification. The process of downloading it on your phone is different on your PC. So I'm going to be making a video about that as well. So when you finish downloading Tonkeeper wallet, this is where you will find yourself. Once you click on the app, this is it. You can see Tonkeeper, create a new wallet, or add an already existing account. Now, this is how to set up your Tonkeeper, whereby that if you already have an account, let's say you have a created account already, or you change your phone, you can just click on import existing wallet. Just click on import existing wallet. Then these are different ways you can actually import already existing wallet. You can use the option of existing wallet, import wallet within a 24 recovery word. By putting the 24 recovery word, Tonkeeper is unlike the EVM blockchain that we're used to, talking about Trust Wallet and MetaMask and Exodus, whereby that you can actually connect Ethereum network, Binance network, Arbitrum network, and different kind of network in the same wallet. But Ton network, as of the moment, as of the time of doing this video, only support every cryptocurrency that is created on the Ton network. That is what you can use Tonkeeper to do. So, and in Tonkeeper, you recover your previous wallet using 24-word phrase. So if you click on it, you just manually put in the 24 word. You can see you manually put it 24. Now, once you do that, you click on continue. That is when you can now have access to your previous wallet. But you can also use other means by clicking on the same import existing wallet. You can use pair with Snagger, pair with Keystone, pair with Ledger. If you have a Ledger, you can actually import. But for people who don't have accounts with Ton wallet, it is so simple. Just click on create a new wallet. Once you click on create a new wallet, you have to give your wallet a password. In this case, let me use 1234. I will still delete this account. Let me put it again, 1234. You can see I've created the password. I don't know if you saw where I put the password. Maybe Tonkeeper might blind the video, but it just to show you that you have to put a password. Then once you put a password, you get here, you can see get instant notification. This is up to you. Just click on enable notification. It is up to you to be receiving notification. Personally, I don't like notification on my phone, so I just have to click on don't allow. So this is the wallet I just created right here. As you can see, you can enable notification by clicking this button. If you haven't enabled it before, you can actually join Tonkeeper channel by clicking on open, then back up the wallet recovery phrase. Guys, this is so important. You have to back up your wallet recovery phrase, and you're not meant to show it to anybody, because if for example, this password that I created, you can know the password and you will not still access my account. But if you have access to my recovery phrase, even if you don't know my password, you can still access my account. So that is why it is important for you to be protecting your 24 recovery phrase or your 12 recovery phrase, depending on the wallet you are dealing with. So click on backup the wallet recovery phrase, click on it. Then you can see these are some of the information. You can see, please read carefully before viewing your recovery phrase. You can see what they said. Never enter your recovery phrase any other place than Tonkeeper to access your wallet. You can see these are some of the caution you need to pay attention to. So click on continue. So you have to put your password again. The password I used earlier was 1234. You can see I'm trying to access it. So this is my 24 recovery phrase. I don't know if you can say it, but remember, I cannot use this wallet. You can actually screenshot this, or you can actually write it down and keep it safe. So whenever you lose your phone or anything happen, you can easily access your Tonkeeper wallet by imputing this 24 recovery phrase. But if you don't have it, your money is gone. You cannot contact anybody. It's unlike centralized exchange, whereby that if you lose your password, you can do recovery password. But if you lose your password, if you lose your phrase key in using decentralized wallet, your money is gone. There is nothing you can actually do. So you can actually screenshot it, or you click on check backup. Now, if you already screenshot it or write it down, they will want to know if you have already backed it up, if you already have the words already. So you have to put this word. You need to know what number 1 is, you put the word. You need to know what 21 is, you put the word. You need to know what 23 is, you put the word. But remember, it might not be showing you 1, 21, and 23. It can be anything, but it's still the same concept. By knowing what it is, for this example, let's go back to 1. 1 here is planet, then 22 here is favorite, then 23 here is roof. All I need to do is just to put those words, and it will just authenticate that I have backed up my wallet phrase key. So let's go back to the home page for you to see other things you can do here. Now this is your wallet address. You can see your wallet address on top here. Now on top there, you can also see wallet. You can create multiple wallets if you want to. You can actually click on this wallet, then click on add wallet. If you click on add wallet, you can create a multiple wallet, or you can recover already existing one. So let's create a new wallet. You click on create. You have to put a password 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see what I'm doing, very simple. You can have as multiple wallets of your choice. So this is how simple it is to create a wallet. So you can actually give your wallet a name. So it can be wallet 2, or you can manually type whatever you want. But in this case, let me write deep tutors. This is just to show you how simple this is. So this is wallet for deep tutors right there. I've actually created a second wallet. This is the first one we created by default. This is the second one. So it's still the same process. You can actually follow the same process and back up your phrase key. Remember, if you have multiple wallets, all of them has different phrase key recovery phrase. It is important for you to know that. So this is where you can actually send. You can actually send any cryptocurrency of a choice to anybody. Then if you want to receive, just click on receive. You can actually start receiving your cryptocurrency, most especially if you want to be receiving TON or you want to receive USDT. And remember, you can also buy other cryptocurrency that is created on TON network. This is where you can also do swapping. This is so simple, whereby that you can swap your TON coin to any other cryptocurrency of your choice. Just click on the select option. They will show you several cryptocurrencies. These are all the cryptocurrency that is built on the TON network. So this is so easy. You can click on cancel. You can go back. You can click on buy and sell. This is if you want to buy your cryptocurrency with a debit card or with a credit card. You can actually deal with this third-party platform. I don't recommend this unless you know what you're doing. You can actually buy your cryptocurrency from here. But if you want to do P2P, I have a video in this channel which will be in the link in the description, so you can actually know how to do P2P trading. So simple. So you can also click on the option of sell. You can see where to sell to. This is so simple for you to use. Then you click on the stake. Now this is where you can actually stake some of your coin to be able to earn reward. I'm going to be making a video about that. This is actually one of the ways to make extra income. For you not to miss that video, you need to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. These are potential APYs. You could earn up to 3.27% every single year just by staking your token. And it's amazing. Let's say, for example, you want to hold for a long term, maybe 1 year plus, you want to hold your TON. You can stake it, whereby that whatever you stake, you earn extra 3.27%. And if the price of TON increases as well, you will make so much money. So this is just one of the ways to make extra income just by staking. So if you click on the option of history, this is where you will see all your transaction. As you can see, this is a new wallet I just created with you guys. There is no history here. Then if you click on the browser, this is where you can start interacting with so many decentralized applications. As you can see, there's a lot of things TON is actually working on. You can see TON Poker for people who like to do gambling. They actually created something for gamblers. You can see TON Diamond. I don't know what this. I think this is NFT, where people can actually buy NFT and earn some reward. As you can see, you can earn up to 70% API in this platform. This is amazing. As you can see, TON Dating for people who want to do dating. You can see TON Store, where you can actually buy so many gift cards, Amazon gift card, and so many other things. You can also buy eSIM. For example, you want to buy a SIM, US SIM, and so many other things you can actually do here. This is an exchange where you can actually buy and sell your cryptocurrency. You know, there's a lot of things. You can see TON GBT. They want to create an AI system where people can actually start interacting with AI. You can see TON VPN. There's a lot happening in the TON ecosystem. One thing I know is that TON is going to be the next big thing in this upcoming bull run, talking about towards the end of 2024 and early 2025. As you can see, this is their decentralized crypto exchange. You can see StoneFi, you can see Dex Diamond, you can see DDox. You can see these are so many decentralized exchange. You can actually trade TON tokens there. You can see these are platforms you can buy NFT, get gems, fragment, RWA store. This is real world asset. If you want to buy any of these things, you can see there are lots you can actually do with this platform. You can see these are a lot of things here, guys. You can actually also interact, look for any cryptocurrency by copying the contract address of that cryptocurrency and paste it on a search. You can actually do all these things. Now, this is so simple. Now, I'm going to be making a video on how to do withdrawal if you want to send money from Bybit or Binance or BitGet all the way to your Tonkeeper, and also how to withdraw from your Tonkeeper to Bybit or Binance or BitGet. I'm going to be making that video. If you don't want to miss it, stay connected to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another one.